Hello and welcome.
Let us take a moment for ourselves. Many people feel a dip in energy in the afternoon. You may feel sleepy after you have had your lunch. You might find it difficult to focus on your work. Your body can feel slow, perhaps a little heavy. This is the afternoon slump. It is a very normal part of our daily rhythm, but you do not have to simply endure it. You can change how you feel. A short and gentle yoga flow can help you do just that. It can lift your energy levels, bring clarity back to your mind. This practice is designed to be a small reset. It is a brief pause in your day. The movements are simple, the breathing is intentional. Together, they gently wake your body and mind. It is not about pushing yourself to the limit. It is about kind and mindful movement. This short sequence can help you feel refreshed. It can make you feel more prepared for the rest of your day. Think of it as a small, kind gift you give to yourself. A moment to reconnect and re-energize from within. You need only a little space and a willingness to try. We will explore a routine you can do almost anywhere. You do not need special yoga clothes or even a yoga mat, office next to your desk, or a quiet corner of your home. The goal is to move and breathe in a way that feels calming yet invigorating. 10 minutes can pay you back with hours of focus and a brighter mood. So let us begin this short journey together. Let us begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair with feet flat on the floor, or sit cross-legged on a cushion. Allow your back to be straight, but not rigid. Feel a gentle lift through the crown of your head. Place your hands softly on your thighs, palms facing up or down. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. We will start by simply noticing our breath. Slow, deep breath in through the nose. Long, steady breath out through the nose. Continue for 5 rounds. Do not force it. Feel cool air entering. Feel warmer air as it leaves. Focused breathing helps reset your nervous system. It signals a shift from doing to being. A mindful pause that moves you from fatigue to gentle alertness. On your next exhale, drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold for 1 full breath. Inhale back to center. Exhale. Drop left ear toward left shoulder. Hold 1 breath. Inhale to neutral. Turn your head slowly to the right. Hold 1 breath. Return to center. Exhale left. Hold. Return. Keep movements slow and mindful. Inhale, lift shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll back and down. Repeat, lift and roll. 2, 3. Good. Now, gentle movement for the spine. Chair or on hands and knees. Your choice. Hands on knees, feet hip width. Inhale, lift your chest forward, gently arch. Shoulders back and down away from ears. Lift your gaze slightly. This is cow. Exhale, reverse. Round your spine, tuck your chin. Gently draw navel towards spine. This is cat. Flow. Inhale, lift, open the heart. Exhale, round, tuck. Continue for 5 rounds. Let breath guide rhythm. Feel the spine becoming fluid and flexible. It warms your back, massages your organs, and helps energy flow up and down your spine. It helps you feel awake and alert. Okay, that is the end of this segment. We call this sequence the slump to spark routine. The entire routine is very short. You can fit it into even the busiest schedules. Now, if you are able, it is time to stand up. If not, stay seated and reach your arms overhead. Feet hip width, feel the ground, stand tall. On your next big inhalation, sweep both arms out and up toward the sky. Reach your fingertips high. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Keep a generous bend in your knees. Let your upper body hang, release hands, arms and head. Gently shake your head, no, then nod yes to release neck tension. The forward fold brings fresh blood to the brain, calms the nervous system and refreshes your mind. Inhale, lift halfway, hands to shins or thighs, create a long flat back. Gaze down, lengthen tailbone to crown. Exhale, fold, press into your feet, soft knees, slowly roll up to standing. Head lifts last, sweep arms up, exhale, arms down. We will repeat this sun breath 3 times. Inhale up, exhale, fold. Inhale halfway, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. This builds warmth and energy. After our gentle flow, let us add a simple twist. Twists aid digestion and ease that heavy after-lunch feeling. Stand tall, inhale, lengthen your spine, exhale, gently twist to the left. Allow your gaze to follow. Hold one full breath. Feel the gentle squeeze in your abdomen. Inhale, unwind to center. Place your left hand on your right hip. Inhale length, exhale twist to the right. Hold one breath, come back to center. Repeat 3 gentle twists each side. Lead with your chest, let the twist come from your midsection. Next, a simple balance pose. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Stand firmly on your left foot. Tiny bend in the knee. Lift your right foot. Place the sole to your left ankle or calf. Avoid the knee joint. Bring your hands to your heart. Find a steady spot on the wall or floor, your drishti. Hold for 5 steady breaths. Feel the small muscles in your standing foot and leg engaging. This wakes them up. Gently release the right foot. Shake out your legs. Now repeat on the other side. Balance is a practice. Some days easy, some days not. Be patient. Stand on your right. Lift your left. Use support as needed. Okay. Movement and breath. Counter that sluggish feeling. Tell your body it is time to be alert. It is time to be present. This gentle practice offers a simple path back to vitality. Now we will add a small flow to open the hips and chest, areas that tighten from sitting. Step your right foot back, left knee stacked over ankle. Keep the back leg straight or lower the knee for support. Inhale, lift arms, open across your right hip and chest. Hold one breath, feel the stretch, the energy rising to your fingertips. Exhale, hands frame the front foot. Step forward into a fold. Inhale, step your left foot back, right knee over ankle. Inhale, lift. Open chest and front of the left hip. Exhale, hands down, step forward. We will do 3 lunges on each side. Inhale to lift and open. Exhale to release and step forward. Build gentle warmth, stretch hips and legs, encourage upright, open posture. To finish our standing work, a simple side stretch. Stand tall, feet together or hip width. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean to the left. Feel a stretch from right hip to fingertips. Keep both feet planted. Hold 3 slow breaths. Inhale to center. Exhale, release your arm. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, lean right. This opens the rib cage for deeper breath. It is very important that this practice feels good for your unique body. Listening to your body is fundamental. If any movement causes sharp or shooting pain, stop immediately, modify the pose or skip it. For sensitive knees, do not sink too deeply. Place a folded blanket or cushion under the back knee. Using a chair for support in standing poses is wonderful. It is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of wisdom. If you have neck pain, be extra gentle. Keep stretches subtle. Skip head turns. Do simple ear to shoulder. In folds, do not worry about reaching far. The benefit is releasing spine and head, not touching toes. Keep a soft knee bend. For balance, use a wall or chair. Keep one hand on support the entire time if you like. Over time, you may lift it for a second or 2. This builds confidence. If you are pregnant, avoid deep twists that compress the belly. Instead, use open twists and movements that create space, side stretches and gentle chest openers. Consult your doctor before new exercise. Remember, even 2 or 3 minutes of seated breathing and a few rounds of seated cat-cow can make a significant difference. Add small things, drink water, stand and walk a minute every hour. Small consistent efforts add up and help prevent the afternoon slump. They help maintain energy through the day. This practice is for you. Honor what your body is telling you. Let us bring our short practice to a gentle close. Find your way back to a comfortable seat, on your chair or on the floor. We will finish with a calming breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for 4. Feel your belly expand like a balloon. Pause for 2, then exhale slowly for 6, through your mouth or nose. A longer exhale calms the nervous system. Let us do that 4 more times together. Inhale 4, pause 2, exhale 6, inhale 4, pause 2, exhale 6, inhale 4, pause 2, exhale 6, inhale 4, Pause 2. Exhale 6. Feel your body becoming calm and still. Notice the new sensations. Perhaps you feel a little warmer. Perhaps your mind feels a little clearer. You have just taken 10 minutes to move your body, deepen your breath, and shift your energy. You have completed the slump to spark routine. We move through seated breathing, neck and shoulder rolls, a spinal warm-up, an energizing standing flow, twists for digestion, a balance pose for focus. You have accomplished a great deal in a short time. Repeat this practice whenever the afternoon slump appears. You can do it every day. It will feel more natural over time. Notice how you feel for the rest of the afternoon. More awake, easier to concentrate, less stiffness. This simple check-in helps you recognize the benefits and encourages you to return to the practice. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, take a moment to smile. Give thanks to your body for all it allows you to do. Have a sip of water, return to your day with a renewed calm energy. Remember to carry this mindful breath with you. You can always return to it. Before your next task, take one deep breath. Breathe, move, and smile. Your afternoons can feel much brighter. I hope to see you here again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content.